Hi, my name is Miss Chong, and I'm going to show you how to get to Google Classroom. Now, we're going to use Google Classroom for you to see all your assignments and also for any announcements. So you're going to open your web browser. Oops, this is the wrong one. Give me a minute. All right. You can either go into Google and you'll see, you can click on the waffle at the top and you can scroll down until you see it, the Google Classroom icon. If you don't see it, you could just type in Google Classroom and click the first one that pops up. And then you can hit Google Classroom again, or you can hit, um, yeah. Then you're going to sign in. I'm going to sign in under one of my students so you can see what a student view looks like. You're going to type in S, your student number at decabschoolsga.org. This is just one of my students I'm using. Hit next. Password is decab. Let me show you. 04 for fourth grade. Hit accept. And now down here, they just want to confirm that this is your name. Now, this is my student I'm using as a demo. So I'm just going to click continue. I'm a student. And then you should see this right here, my name, Miss Chung homeroom. Or if you're Miss Ben's homeroom, it's going to say Miss Ben's homeroom. You're going to hit join. And so now you are into my class. So on this page, this is called the stream page right here. I will have my announcement. So this is the link you will use to get on in the morning to my live session. Then up here you have classwork. And this is just telling you how to use it. So up here, we just have information, your materials. So here's a presentation on rules and procedures. Here's the class schedule. Oop. And then here's a parent site. Now, this will pop up for some reason, I don't know why, but just click to go to home site and it'll take you there. This will have tons of awesome resources on here. Meet the teacher. We have tutorials. This is also wonderful because it has videos on how to use certain resources I will be using in my class. Then we have my page and we have Ms. Ben's page. So this is the link again to my live stream. And then this is the page to Ms. Ben live stream. Now, remember, you only click on your homeroom live stream. So if you're in my homeroom, you only use one link and Ms. Ben will join that when it's time for her to teach your class. But going back to classrooms, we have our assignments down here. I will have them organized by weeks. So this is week 1, and these are the dates. And then these are the different assignments. I put the names beside each assignment. But everything within that week folder will be due on Sundays, every Sunday. So you have a whole week to get it done. Now, when I start adding science assignments, you'll also see where it will say science. But right now we're focusing on math. So all of these are labeled math. Your first assignment is in here called Introduce Yourself Flipgrid. I have a video to show you how to do it. And then you will click on this and it will take you where you need to go. Now, when you sign in, please sign in with Microsoft, and it's the same way. S, your student number at decabschoolsga.org, and then your password is decab04. And then remember, you can always go back up here to the tabs to find it. So these were all your assignments will be.